Have you ever been frustrated by a computer running slower than a turtle on a lazy day? If yes, you're in the right place. We're uncovering the 5 best apps to supercharge your Windows PC. Whether it's optimizing performance, cleaning junk files, or enhancing your gaming experience, these tools have you covered. By the way, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest tech and AI updates. Number 5. Fortect. Starting off our list is Fortect, a powerhouse for PC optimization. It's like having a personal mechanic for your computer. With Fortect, you can clean up junk files, repair registries, and free up valuable disk space. Seek out and remove malware while monitoring your PC in real time for potential threats. Fix or replace damaged or missing operating system files. A scan takes just about 5 minutes, providing a detailed report on privacy vulnerabilities, malware, and overall system stability. It's the perfect tool for keeping your PC healthy and secure. Number 4. Razer Cortex. Gamers, this one's for you. Razer Cortex is your go-to optimizer for smoother gameplay. What it does: suspends unnecessary system processes, clears out memory, and defrags your system for better gaming performance. It's free, and while the results might not blow your mind, you'll notice smoother visuals and a lag-free gaming experience. A must-try if you're into PC gaming. Number 3. Optimizer. Privacy and security buffs. Meet Optimizer. This tool is a game changer, especially after a fresh Windows installation. Here's what it can do: remove unnecessary apps, tweak your system for maximum privacy and security, improve overall performance with advanced configurations tailored to your Windows version. If you care about privacy and speed, Optimizer is a must-have. Number 2. Microsoft PC Manager. Next up is Microsoft PC Manager, yes, from the makers of Windows themselves. This app is straightforward and efficient, offering one-click PC boosts, storage cleanup and junk file management, extra security to protect your system settings. Available on the Microsoft Store, it even checks compatibility before installation. It's like Microsoft finally gave us the tool we've always needed. Number 1. Wintoys. And taking the top spot is Wintoys, the ultimate optimization tool. Here's why it's number 1. Cleanup function, delete temporary files and Windows updates to free up space in seconds. Performance boosting, activate maximum performance mode for top-tier speed. Advanced features, manage startup apps, tweak hidden settings, and even save app states for easy resumption. Wintoys is the all-in-one solution for power users and casual users alike. So, do you need third-party software to optimize your PC? Honestly, not always. But having tools like these can make your life a whole lot easier, especially with all the bloatware that builds up over time. How often you optimize depends on your usage, but trust me, even occasional cleanups can make a big difference. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Free up space, enhance speed, and make your PC unstoppable. Download one of these tools today.